Good evening. Today we will do a tutorial on combination. Right, let us start. First question, as I told you, combination, I will use the formula C, much easier for me. Number 1. How many different committees of 3 people can be chosen to work on a special project from 9 people? So 9 out of 9 you are going to choose 3, which is 84. John bought a machine to make a fresh juice. He has 5 different fruits. If he only uses 2 fruits, how many different juice can John do? That is 5 out of 5 fruit. He is choosing 2 fruit, and basically that is 10. There are 25 people who work in office. 5 of these people are selected to Florida. How many ways? So 25 C5, that would give you 53130. Okay. How many different 7 cards hand can be chosen from the 52 C7? That will give you 1 3 3 7 8 4 5 6 0. Number 5. A bag contains black balls and red ball. Okay. Black, 5 black and 6 red. Determine the ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls are selected. So out of 5 black, out of 5 black, 2 black is chosen, and out of 6 red, 3 red are chosen. So left how much? 5C2 times 6C3. It is 200. How many single matches can be organized if there are 20 players? So for you to have single matches, you need to choose 2 players. So out of 20 players, how many 2 players you can choose? 20 C2, that will give you 190 matches. 7. The organizer of exhibition came to know that there are still 6 more empty stalls to be taken up. Okay. Application from 5 shoe, 4 apparel, 5 shoe and 4 apparel manufacturer were received. Okay, out of 5 shoe, 4 apparel, you have to choose 6. You have to give. Okay, application is from shoe manufacturer. There is 5 application. For apparel manufacturer, there are 4 application. So you have to give. You only have 6 empty stalls. So how are we going to? What is the chances for you to give them 6 empty stalls? No condition imposed. So out of 5 plus 4 is 9. 9C6. So that would give you 84. There must be 3 shoe and 3 apparel, which is 5. Choose 3 from 5 and 3 from 4. That would give you 40. There must be at least 4 shoe stalls. So shoe and apparel, 4 shoe, and if at least 4 means you can start with 4 and 2 must be apparel, and start with 5, 1 must be apparel. How many shoes are there? Only 5. So you cannot go for 6 and 0. This one cannot, because only 5 stall of shoes there. So this one, Shoe is five. This one is, yeah, 5C4. I mean, we have to choose 4. Apparel, how many apparels are there? 4. 4C2. And then plus this one, how much you get here? This one is 30, and 5C5, 4C1, this is 20, this is 4, sorry, not 20, 4, so altogether 34. How many ways can a PIBG committee be formed, consisting 5 members chosen from 8 men and 4 women? You have to choose 5. If there must at least 3 women included in this committee, must be at least 3 women. So woman, man, at least 3 women. 3 women means 3 men here. 4 women means 2 men here. At least 3, only we have to choose 5, isn't it? So 3, 2, 4, 1. And that's it. 5, 0 cannot, because women only have 4 here. So in this case, out of 4 women, I choose 3. Out of 8 men, I choose 2. One, 2. This is 8. So altogether 120. A college student can choose from 5 computer subjects. There's a 5 computer subject and 4 science subject. Out of 5 he choose 3. Out of 4 he choose 2. Is 16. In how many ways can 11 players be chosen from 15 boys? C 11, that would be 1, 3, 6, 5. Alright, we finished 10 questions. Now we are going 11th question. 5 students were chosen at random from the class represented. 30 students are there. We are choosing 5. So 142 506. In how many, that is the answer here. In how many ways can 3 books be chosen from 7 different books? 7C 3, 35. Combination little bit easy compared to permutation. The team of the fire and rescue squad in 5 members chosen has 5 members chosen randomly from 6 males, 4 females. From here you have to choose 5 members. In how many ways can be done? From no condition. So no condition means you join male and female. Out of 10 people you choose 5. That would give you 252. The number of female members is more than number of male members. Female member is you have to choose 5. Female member more than male means it can start from how many female are there? 4. Okay, we may take maximum 4 male 1, 3 male 2. Female cannot go 2, then male go 3, then this one cannot. Only 2 option. Out of 4 female you choose all. Out of 6 male you choose 1, then you will get 6 here. Out of 4 female you choose 3, out of 6 you choose 2. Here. Six. In how many ways? 12 people be divided into 2 groups consisting of 8 and 4. So 12 you choose 8 people first, minus 12 minus 8 is 4. Choose another 4 more people, you will get 495. As I told you before in the exercise, you can also do 12C 4 and the other way around. You will get the same answer. 5 marbles have been chosen at random from the bag containing 8 blue, 6 red marbles. Blue and red. How many ways can the 5 marble be chosen? If the number of blue marble must be more than the number of red marbles. So 5 out of this you have to choose 5. So blue marble can be 5, 0. Maximum we can take. If the number of blue marbles must be more than the number of red marbles. This one 4, 1. And this one is 3, 2. That's the 3 combination. It cannot go 2, 3. This is less already, so this one cannot. So if I out of 8 blue I choose 5, out of 6 red I choose 0, then this would be 56. 8 C4, 6 C1. chess competition. A chess competition organizing committee consists of 4 males and 3 females, formed from 7 male and 6 female. In how many ways this committee can be formed if a married couple must be included? Okay, this is interesting now. Now, there are 7 males and 6 female. Inside this 7 male and 6 female, there is a married couple. Okay, we want to choose out of 7 male, we're going to choose 4 male. Out of 6 female, we're going to choose 3 female. Okay, inside here there is a married couple. Okay, so they want the committee, they want within this 4 male and 3 female, they want us to include the married couple, which is husband and wife. So in this 4 female, we already choose a husband. Okay, let's say in the 4 male, in the 4 male, we choose the husband, and in these 3 female, we choose the wife. Okay, wife and husband. So once we have chosen, okay, here in this 7 male also there's husband. Then the husband is there. Okay, now let me put it in this way. Okay, in this 7 male, there's a husband. In this 6 female, there's a wife. Now this husband will be chosen in the committee. Okay, will be chosen automatically. Will be chosen. Okay, this wife also will be chosen in the committee. So basically, I'm going to, since the husband is chosen, we can cancel. We can cancel this, make it 6 male, 5 female. So because out of 4 male, the husband is chosen, all we need to do is find 3 male only now. This one is 2 female only now. Okay, because husband and wife is chosen already. So out of 6 male, I want to choose 3 male, and out of 5 female, I need to choose 2 female. Because where's another male, another husband, it is another male, another female. That is the husband and wife. We choose already for them. So 400. Sorry, not 400. I wrongly pressed the calculator. 200. Right? If you don't understand this question, you can ask me in the class. I will explain more regarding this. In how many ways can a squad of scouts consist 12 students be divided into 3 groups? Divisions among 12C 5, 7C 4, 3C. Charity night organizing committee consisting of 8 members is chosen from 10 teachers, 8 parents, and a principal. Okay, from here we need to choose 8 members. In how many ways can this committee be formed if exactly 3 teachers and a principal are included? So 3 teachers, 10C3. How many principal are there? 1 principal must be included. Okay, 4 is chosen there already. Left is 8 parents. Out of 8 we have to choose 4. Okay, now in how many ways this committee be formed? If exactly 3 teachers and the principal are included. Eight 400. Ali bought red 10 red bulbs and 3 blue bulbs. So out of 10 red, 3 blue, he have to choose 5. In how many ways? Red and blue. 5 bulb be chosen if the number of red bulb must be more than the blue bulb. So we have to choose 5. How many red are there? 10. So we can choose 5 red, 0 blue, 4 red, 1 blue, 3 red, 2 blue. One, 2, 4, 2. A teacher wants to choose 5 students from the group of 5 boys, 4 girls to form a team of cheerleaders. 5 students. Here 5 students. No condition. So combine 9C5 you will get 1, 2, 6. There are more boys than girl in the team. So boys, girl, more boys. Boys are 5, girl 0, boys is 4, girl 1, boys is 3, girl 2. Okay. 5C5, 4C0, that would give you 1. 5C4, 4C1, that would give you 20. So altogether 81. That is answer. Now maths exam paper consists of nice question. Find the number of combination to answer 5 question if a student can answer any 5 question. Any 5 question which is A is out of 9 he choose 5. 1, 2, 6. Is required to answer 3 questions from section A, which consists 5 questions. Section A got 5 questions, so 5 out of 5 he had to choose 3, and 2 questions from section B, which consists 4C2. Okay. 60. A group of suitable candidates consists of 5 men and 6 ladies. A committee that consists 2 men and 3 ladies is formed from these suitable. Find the number of different committees. So very easy this one. From 5 men you have to choose 2 men. 6 ladies you have to choose 3 ladies. 200. Two lines are parallel. On the first line there are 2 points. P and Q. On the second line there are 6 points. Calculate the number of triangles that can be formed passes through any 3 points. Alright. So basically this is something we have done in the earlier in the permutation. Either I do a triangle like this, which means in any of the thing. Okay, this is something same idea with the one we did in earlier. Out of the 2 dot I choose 1, okay, and out of the 6 dot I choose 2, or means plus. I choose 2 dot from the 2, multiply, I choose 1 dot from the 6. So you will get 36. That is the answer. 24. 6 members of committee, 6 males, 6 male and 4 female. You have to choose 6. Oh, there's more. 6 male teacher, 6 male teacher, 4 female teacher, and a male principal. Male principal. So out of all these things you have to choose 6. Now A, the principal is the chairman of the committee. So principal is chosen already. Okay, principal is chosen. This is no more. Principal is chosen. You have to choose 5 more people from 10. So 10 C 5 2 5 2. Okay, that's the idea. 24A. Like just now, husband and wife. There are exactly 2 female in the committee. 2 female, exactly 2 female. 4C2 multiply 6 6 male teacher, male principal, 7 C 3. $210. There are not more than 4 males in the committee. Not more than 4 males in the committee. Males, female, not more than 4. 4 can. 4 male, 1 female. Sorry, 2 female. Oh, this one we have to choose 6, isn't it? We have to choose 6. So this one is not. This must be 4. There are exactly 2 female. Okay, if I put 4 there, 210 also. Not more than 4 males in the committee. Okay, 4 2. Maximum is 4, so male must be less. 3 3. 2. Not more than 4 males. Not more than. Not more than 4 males in the committee. Female, how many females are there? 4. Okay. So 2 4. 4 2 3 3 2 4. If I put male 1 here, then female is, I need 5, but we only have 4 female there, so this one cannot. I stop here. Male is 7, female is 4. One 3 7 1 24. A tour study group that consists 8 people is to be selected for 4 male teacher, 3 female teacher, 5 male student, 6 female students. So all these, they want to choose 8 people. Find the number of different ways to form the group if it consists 3 males. So we need to choose 8. How many males are there? 9. 9C. We need 3 males. Female 9 also. 9C. How many people we need? 5. Two teachers and 6 students. We need 2 teachers. Teacher is 7 there. We need 2. And 6 students. Student is 11 there. We need 6. Okay, altogether 8 already. So 7C2 times, we get 9702. The same number of male teacher, female teacher, male student and female students, all are 2 2 2 2. Male teacher out of 4 you choose 2, female teacher out of 3 you choose 2, male student choose 2, 2700. A committee that consists of 6 members is to be selected from 26 now, 5 teachers, 4 students. 6 members they want to choose. There's no restriction. So out of 9 you choose C. Out of 9 you choose 6. 9 C6 is 84. The number of teachers must exceed the number of students. Teacher, student. Teacher must exceed student. So 3 cannot. 4 2 can. 5 1 can. I cannot put 6 0 here because teacher only have 5. We only have 5 teachers there. So 5C4, 4C2. $34. From a group of tennis players that consists 4 teachers and a tennis team, okay, they have 4 teachers here, 6 students, 3 players. A tennis team that consists 3 players is to be formed to represent a school. They want to choose 3 players. Find the number of different teams that may be without restriction. So out of 10 you choose 3. $27 is 120. At least one student. So at least one student, teacher. At least one student, teacher 2. 2 student, teacher 1. 3 student, teacher 0. 28. A committee which consists 6 members is to be selected from 7 students, 4 teachers and 2 workers. Six members. The number of way committee form with no restriction, all plus, you plus all. This will give you 13C6. One 716. The number of ways the committee can be formed if it must have 2 or 3 students. Okay, 2 or 3 students. Alright. If I choose 2 students out of 7, okay, 2 students to the rest is I need to choose from the rest, so 6 or 6C4 combine, this one 6C4, or 2 or 3, okay, 7C3 multiply 6C3. B. Ten new students want to join the curriculum society of a school. 3 of them want to join. 10 new students want to join curriculum societies. 3 of them want to join English language. 5 want to join maths, and the rest want to join science. So 3 in English, 3 maths, 5 science is 2. Calculate the number of different ways of selection. If each student can only be a member of only one society. Okay. So in this case, out of 10 we choose 3 for English. Okay, 3 students will go for English. Out of 10 we choose 3 for English. Left is how much? 7. So out of 7 maybe we choose for maths. 5 people will go for maths. Left is 2 will go for science. In this case, one student will only take one society. So if you do this, this will be 2520. 30. A group that consists 9 teachers and principal are about to go for a dinner. But only 5 of them can travel in a car while the rest must take taxi. So 9 teachers and a principal okay, 9 teachers and principal want to take taxi. Calculate the number of combination for their traveling plan with the condition that principal must travel in the car. So principal is selected already, so no more principal. Principal selected to be in the car, so we have to choose only 4. So basically 9C4. At a tourist attraction, 2 trams carry sightseers. One tram can accommodate 7 people, the other is 8. a busload of 18 tourists arrive and the both trams are at the bottom of the mountain. Only 15 tourists, okay, obviously only, even though 18 tourists arrive, 15 tourists can initially go up the mountain. One tram can 7 people, another tram is 8. 7 and 8. And both trams are, in how many ways can the attendant load? Okay, so for the first tram, out of 18 people, this is the first tram, tram 1, out of 18 people, it can only pick up 7 people. And 7 people goes inside the first tram. First tram means left is 11 people. This is second tram. How many people can go? 8. This is the answer. A history instructor want to split a class of 10 students into 3 discussion groups. One group will consist of 4 students. Discuss topic A. The second and third group will discuss topic B and C, respectively, and consists of 3 students each. In how many ways this can group? Okay, this is grouping A, B, C. Out of 10, for A we choose 4, minus left is 6, we choose here 3, minus 3 and choose 3. That is the answer. For 200. Eight stock and 4 bond. 8 stocks, 4 bonds. If 12 financial want to create a portfolio, okay. So out of 12 stock, how many ways can we? Need to choose 8 stock, 7 bond. You have to choose 4 bonds, so 12C8 times 7C4 . 17325. The social services office have 15 new clients. The supervisor want to assign 5 clients to each of 3 specific casework. In how many ways? So each casework, case 1, case 2, case 3. First case, out of 15 new client, you take 5. Five people will go first. Case 1, left is 10, another 5 for case 3. Biology instructor includes several true-false questions on quizzes. From experience, a student believes that half of the quiz of true false are false. If there are 10 true false questions on the next quiz, in how many ways can the student answer half of them true and half the false? Half of the questions are true and half are false. So out of 10, he may answer. He can answer 5 questions as a true times out of another 5 minus another. This is true, this is false. Two, 5, 2. $36. The director of a research and development company has 9 scientists who are equally qualified to work on project A, B, C. In how many ways the director can assign 3 scientists to each project? So A, B, C. 9, 3 goes for A, minus 6 out of 6, 3 go for B, minus, and then this is the thing. For the lotto, a player chooses 6 numbers from 1 through 49 and circles them on a card. After winning ticket the winning ticket will then have the same 6 number as the number. How many different possible number selection? So 1 through 49, there are 49 numbers. Out of 49 numbers, you have to choose 6. A present that consists 6 items is to be chosen from 5 stationery, 7 storybook. 6 we have to choose. Find the number of ways the present can be formed such that it consists 2 storybook. $105. Not more than 3 storybook. Story. Not more than 3 storybook. So 3 storybook can, 3 stationery can. Two storybook can, and 4 stationery can, 1 storybook can, and 5 stationery can. You cannot go more than this one cannot go 6 because only 5 is there. 4, 6, 8. A Gotong rowing committee in a village that consists 4 persons is to be formed from 6 men, 3 ladies. Okay, 6 men, 3 ladies, which include husband and wife, something like the previous one. Okay, we have to choose 4 persons. If the couples must be included in the committee, calculate the number of different committees. So couples must be included, husband and wife must be here. So if the husband and wife is chosen here, left is we need to choose 2 persons only from 5 male and 2 ladies, 2 female, because husband and wife is out of the thing already. So basically 7C2, 21. A team of 11 soccer players is to be selected from. The final selection is made by choosing so 8 defense is there, 4 midfielder and 10 forward. This one, okay, calculate the number of ways. So this from 8 defense we have to choose 4 3 midfielders, 4 forward. There are 14 juniors and 23 seniors. 14 juniors, 23 seniors. The club is to send 4 representatives. Okay, out of this I think we have to choose 4. How many different ways they are selected? How many different ways are there to select a group of 4 students to attend? So no restriction, 14 plus 23. 37C4. You get 66045. If the member of the club decide to send 2 juniors and 2 seniors, how many different groupings are possible? 2 juniors and 2 seniors. So 14C2 multiply 23C2 this is 23023. Forty-two. Of 10 electric light bulbs, 3 are faulty, but it is known that which one are faulty. In how many ways? In how many ways that 3 bulbs are be chosen from the 10? In how many ways can 3 bulbs are chosen? So it's a general 10C3. Under 20. how many of these selection will contain no faulty bulb? No faulty bulb. Out of 10 just now, 3 are faulty, so 7 is okay, no faulty bulb. So we choose out of 7, okay, 7 is no faulty, so we choose out of 7, 7C3 is 35. How many of the selection will contain exactly one faulty bulb? One faulty bulb, there are 3, you choose 1. Out of 7 good bulb, you choose 2. 63. How many ways are there of choosing a committee of four people from a group of 7 people? How many ways are there of choosing a committee of 4 people from a group of 7 people? Okay, 43. Out of 7 you choose 4. How many ways are there to choose? 35. So is it a coincidence that the number is? It's not a coincidence. The idea goes like this. We call this as complement set, something like that. Okay, I just put it complement set here. For example here, the idea goes like this. Okay, I make it more simple, easy for you. Let's say there is 5C3. Okay, 5C3 must be equal to 5C2 complement. Okay, complement means if you plus this, it must go for the total 5. So if you notice here, this one is how much? 5C3 is 10, isn't it? So 5C2 also must be 10. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. That's how you think. For another example is like 11C2 must be equal to which one? What is the complement for 11? I mean for 2 here. What plus 2 is 11? 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So these two value must be same. You can check. 11C2 is 55. 11C9 is also 55. So it's not a coincidence. Due to the complement nature, okay, we have the thing. I think this is the word for complement. I will double check and I'll explain to you in the class. If I'm not mistaken, nowadays I get memory loss. I think complement, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I will explain more if I have time on these things. Okay. Find the number of ways in which 12 different objects can be distributed among 3 people so that Mr. Smith received 3 objects. Okay, 44. This is like a grouping. 12 object goes to Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith will take 3 objects. Left is how much? 9. Mr. Jones will take 4 objects. Left is how much? 5. Mr. Allen will receive 5. That's it. If you do this, you will get 27720. 45. find the number of ways in which 8 people can be assigned to 2 different rooms if each room must have at least 2 people in it. Okay, this is something interesting. Alright, at 2 different room, if each room must have at least 2 people. So let's say room 1, okay, the first, okay, let's say like this. This is room 1, this is room 2. Okay, room 1 is 8 people, at least 2, isn't it? So room 1 we start with 2, room 2 is 8, C is 6. Room 1 is 3 means room 2 is 5. This one 4 means this one 4. This one 5 means, this is multiplication, all this multiplication. This is 3 and this one is 6 means this one is 2. That's it. We cannot go less more than that. If you put 7 here become 1, then it doesn't comply the condition. So if you do this, how much you are getting here? This one, how much you are getting? Eight C 2 times 8 C 6. This is 784. Oh, I'm sorry. I did a mistake here. I didn't reduce. It's a grouping, isn't it? So we need to reduce here. 8 minus 2 becomes 6. 8 minus 3 becomes 5. 8 minus 4 become 4, 8 minus 5 become 3, 8 minus 2 become 6 become 2. Okay, now makes sense. Two, 3, 6, 2, 3, 8 the answer. 45. Now 46. In how many ways can 5 cards be selected from a pack of 52 cards if exactly 2 aces must be included? Okay, 46. Aces in a card, there are 4 aces. Okay, aces in the card. Okay, in the card there are 4 aces. Okay, in 52 cards it include 4 aces. I put it like this: 4 aces is here, and this one is 48 normal card, non-aces. So we must include, if exactly 2 aces must be included, means out of 4 aces we choose 2, and then out of 48 we choose 3. Six, 47. The selection of 5 books has to be made from a collection of 8 different books where order of choice doesn't matter. Okay, so out of 8 you have to choose 5. A, how many selections are there? So no condition. 8C5, 56. B, How many selections are there if one particular book has to be selected? One particular book has to be selected. Hmm. A selection of 5 books has to be made from a collection of 8 different books by order of choice. Oh, okay. So in this case, what they mean is, out of 7, just now we have to choose, from 8 we have to choose 5, isn't it? Okay. Now, like husband and wife just now, one book, one particular books is already been selected. Selected, which is 7 here, this is 4. Okay. Now, out of 7, we have to choose only 4. So 7C4 is 35. One book, particular book, exactly one particular book we take out already. That is in the 5 books, one book is take out. We select one book. The rest we randomly choose. Okay, we randomly choose. How many selections are there? 35 selection we can do to choose the 4 books. Okay. How many selections are there if one particular book has to be excluded? So now you exclude. Exclude means out of 8, you have to choose 5, isn't it? Now out of 8, you throw away a book. We don't want that book. So it becomes 7 now. So out of 7, we choose 5. Now it becomes 21. In how many ways can a tennis mixed double pair be chosen from 5 married couples? So 5 husband, 5 wife are there. If no husband can play with his wife. In how many ways can a tennis mixed double players be chosen? How many ways mixed double players can be chosen if from 5 married couples? So mixed double means we have to choose one male and one female, yeah? One male, one female. If no husband can play with his wife. Okay. Let's say I take out 48. No husband play with his wife. Out of 5 husband, we choose any one of them. Okay, out of 5 husband, we choose any one of them. Multiply. Out of 4 wife, because no husband can play with his wife means we remove his wife. If we choose one husband, that husband, we remove the wife there, okay, so that he cannot play with the wife. So he play with the other ladies. We choose another lady here, one more lady. Mixed double is only one husband, one wife, one man, one woman, isn't it? So if I choose one husband here, one husband from the male, his wife cannot be in the group. His wife must go out. So left is 4 only. So So in this case we have 20. Okay, that is the answer. In other words, if I want to explain clearly, husband 1, husband 2, husband 3, husband 4, husband 5, wife 1, wife 2, wife 3, wife 4, wife 5. If I choose this husband, then he cannot play with the wife. Okay, no husband can play with his wife. He cannot choose his wife. He has to choose either this one or this one or this one or this one. So you have, for husband 1 there is a 4 option. For husband 1 there is 4 option. Plus same goes for husband 2. Husband 2 cannot play with the wife. Okay, this one cannot, but he can play with be partner with these 4 wives. So also 4 option. Same goes for husband 3, 4 option, and then 4 option, and then 4 option all together is 20. You can think like that also if you want. Okay, 49. How many diagonals does a 23 side polygon have? Alright, for these polygons, first of all you need to know polygons first. You see, polygons is closed shapes with straight lines. Okay, for example, if I choose, let's say if I draw a square here or rectangle, it has 4 points. Okay, what is diagonal? Okay, now basically just now I draw like this. If I want to, this is the square or rectangle. If I want to draw a diagonal, that would be this one and this one. Okay, for me to draw a diagonal, like the triangle just now we did, how many points we did for triangle? 3 points, isn't it? We need in the permutation and for the combination as well. Now for diagonal, how many points I need? I need 2 points. Okay, I need 2 points. So for me to compute my diagonal, I just need to choose 2 points out of 4 points. Okay, now suppose, how many diagonals are there here? 2 diagonals. So let us check our hypothesis here. If I choose out of 4, I choose 2. Why 2? Because I only need 2 points to join, to create a diagonal. I need only 2 points to get a diagonal. So 2 points equal to 1 diagonal. If I give you 4 points and I want to choose 2 points, if you press this, how much you get? 6. But according to our diagram here is only 2. Where comes another 4? Another 4, the calculation shows this one, the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also 2 points. Okay, each side is formed by 2 points. So for us to get the diagonal, we must minus the number of side, which is 4. Then only we get the number of diagonal. Okay, so let us try for pentagon now. How many diagonals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 diagonals are there. So according to our calculation, we should have 5. So out of 5 points here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points here. Okay, I need, if I choose 2, okay, to indicate the diagonal, how much I get? I get 10. But suppose the diagonal is only 5. Where comes another 5? The side, as I told you, the side. the side 1 2 3 4 5 sides. So minus the sides, you will get the number of diagonals. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Now for so what is the idea? Let's say, so generally speaking, if I want to write this, n is number of side so what is the general formula for this, for the number of diagonal? Okay, number of diagonals, nc2 minus n. That is the formula. Okay, so if I put now 23 c2 minus 23, so I have 2 3 zeros for the polygon which have 23 side. I have 230 diagonal. That's how it goes. Determine the number of bridge hand of 13 cuts which contain. So bridge hand means we have to choose 13 cuts out of 52. See, a total cut, okay, a total deck of cut or box of cut, okay, is 52 cuts. In these 52 cuts, there is 4 pattern. There's 4 pattern. Okay, one is spade, one is diamond, one is spade, one is diamond, one is club, one is heart. Each of them is 13. Okay, each of them have 13. Now let us do this. What they want? 50A. Exactly 3 spade. So out of 13 spade we choose 3, rest is 39. Out of 39 we choose 10. Okay, you can leave the answer like this because it's going to be a very big number. Yeah, very big number. You can leave the answer like this. In fact, the answer in the one I give you also, I leave it like this. B, exactly 5 diamonds. So 13C, 13 diamond cards, you choose 5. And 8 club. Club is also 13, choose 8. Okay, that's it. And for C, no heart. No heart means don't choose the heart. Okay, minus the 13th, which is out of 39. When you minus the heart, left is 39 cuts. Out of 39 you choose 30. That's the answer. Alright, so that's it. That's regarding our tutorial for combination. Alright, so that's all for today. Any questions, please come and ask me in the class. Before you coming to class, you go through the video, and before you go through the video, make sure you practice first and then only check the answer in the video. Alright, I'll see you in the next class. Take care.